Samsung has been lagging behind its Chinese competitors in the foldable phone market, especially in areas like innovative design, powerful imaging, and overall user experience, with brands like Oppo setting an incredibly high standard through models like the impressive Find N5, which has left Samsung needing to up its game significantly. But now, all eyes are on the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, which could mark a major turning point, at least in one crucial area, the camera department. According to trusted sources, Samsung plans to equip the Z Fold 7 with the same 200-megapixel primary sensor used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the powerful ISO HP2, offering a 1/1.3-inch sensor size, promising breathtaking detail, and bringing the Fold series closer than ever to the Ultra flagship line. That's not all. The notorious under-display front camera, long considered a weakness in Fold devices, is reportedly getting a significant resolution boost, aiming to fix clarity issues and finally meet user expectations. But despite these upgrades, some parts of the camera setup remain untouched, like the 12MP ultra-wide lens, 10MP telephoto sensor, and the 10MP external front camera, which could leave some fans wanting more innovation in these areas. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 this July, and while these changes, especially the imaging improvements, indicate a bold step forward, it still begs a question. Is this enough to reclaim Samsung's lost dominance in the foldable smartphone arena? With rising competition from Chinese tech giants pushing the envelope in design, form factor, and camera performance, Samsung's latest flagship must not only deliver impressive specs, but also redefine what a premium foldable experience truly means. And as anticipation builds for the official launch, the tech world waits to see whether the Fold 7 can finally silence critics and re-establish Samsung as a true king of foldables. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our full deep dive and hands-on review coming soon, only on TechVerse. Bell Mobile Phone Rocket.